Hello and welcome to our video about the secrets of building obelisks. Obelisks are tall, four-sided, narrow tapering monuments that have been constructed for thousands of years and can be found all over the world. They were built by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and the Romans and continue to fascinate people today. One of the most interesting things about obelisks is how they remain standing for such a long time. In this video, we will explore the secrets of how obelisks were built and why they are so enduring. Obelisks have been around for thousands of years, with the earliest examples dating back to ancient Egypt. The Egyptians built hundreds of obelisks, many of which still stand today. The tallest obelisk in the world, standing at 138 feet, is located in Istanbul and was originally built by the pharaoh Thutmose III in the 15th century BC. The ancient Romans also built many obelisks, often taking them from Egypt as spoils of war. Building an obelisk was no easy task. The process involved quarrying a single piece of stone, transporting it to the construction site, and then carving and shaping it into the desired shape. The stone used in obelisks was typically granite, a hard and durable material that could withstand the test of time. The granite was quarried in large blocks, which were then transported to the construction site using sledges and ramps. Once at the construction site, the granite block was shaped using stone hammers and chisels. The sides of the obelisk were then carefully carved and smoothed, often featuring intricate hieroglyphics or other designs. The top of the obelisk was then carefully shaped into a pyramid-like point. Raising the obelisk was perhaps the most challenging part of the construction process. The ancient Egyptians used a method known as levering to raise the obelisk. This involved digging a trench around the obelisk and then using wooden levers to lift it up and out of the trench. The obelisk was then tilted onto a series of rollers and slowly pushed into its final upright position. The Romans, on the other hand, used a different method to raise their obelisks. They built a series of ramps around the obelisk and then used pulleys and ropes to slowly lift it into position. One of the most fascinating things about obelisks is how they remain standing for such a long time. Many of the ancient Egyptian obelisks have been standing for over 3,000 years, and some of the Roman obelisks have been standing for over 2,000 years. So what is the secret to their longevity? There are several factors that contribute to the endurance of obelisks. First and foremost, the stone used in their construction is incredibly durable. Granite is resistant to weathering, erosion, and other forms of damage, which means that the obelisks can withstand the test of time. Another factor that contributes to the longevity of obelisks is their shape. The narrow, tapering design of the obelisk means that it is less likely to be damaged by strong winds or other weather events. In addition, the shape of the obelisk helps to distribute the weight of the stone evenly, which reduces the risk of structural damage over time. Finally, the ancient builders of obelisks were incredibly skilled at their craft. They took great care in selecting the stone, shaping it, and raising it into position. This attention to detail and craftsmanship ensured that the obelisks were built to last. In conclusion, obelisks are fascinating monuments that have been standing for thousands of years. The secrets of their construction and longevity continue to captivate people today. By using durable materials, careful craftsmanship, and innovative construction techniques, the ancient Egyptians and Romans were able to create enduring monuments that continue to fascinate and inspire us today. Thank you for watching our video on the secrets of building obelisks.